Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 2 and I'm actually kind of excited about this one because I'm going to be doing my laundry room and I'm going to clear out a cabinet and move most of that stuff out to the garage to make room for my kitchen appliances that are cluttering up my kitchen pantry, which my kitchen will be done in 2 days. Tomorrow is living room and then on Monday I will do my kitchen. So I want to make room in the laundry room to start moving stuff over from my kitchen to help organize that and get that back to normal. So yeah, it's actually like 5 o'clock at night right now, and I have been extremely lazy with my husband and my daughter today. We've been, I don't know, just kind of hanging out, catching up on some shows. We went and got street tacos, and now I'm just going to go ahead and jump into finishing up my project of decluttering one room a day. And I promised myself that I wouldn't skip a day, so I'm gonna stop being lazy and I'm gonna jump into it and I'm gonna take it all along with me. So yes, let's do this. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, and let's jump in. I'm gonna go ahead and start in this closet. My husband hangs up my clothes in here to dry and I always just end up leaving them here. These have been here for so long. I come down here sometimes and I'll grab a shirt, but I never take everything else back upstairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear out all the laundry in the laundry room that's clean and get this closet cleaned up first. The camera does not do this disgusting closet justice. Like, it is dirtier than it actually looks. I was appalled. There was like spider webs. There was even dead spiders in here and it scared the living poop out of me. But I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum it up, wipe it down, and I'm gonna hand mop the inside of it. For the cleaning products in this room, I'm only using my Mr. Clean mop liquid and water. I'm going to use the Method, AntiBac, and Wildflower, and that's pretty much all I'm going to be using. I'm gonna go ahead and run the laundry that's in this basket because this basket is really dirty. So I'm gonna take it outside and hose it out and clean it with some some Dawn dish soap, and I'm gonna do the same with the cat dishes. I'm gonna put those in the dishwasher, and then the dog bowls we'll take outside to hose off, and his dishes will go in the dishwasher as well. So those won't be entering back into the room on this video. Why is it that like you can lift a 40-pound child but get a 40-pound dumbbell and it's like feels like the heaviest thing you've ever lifted? I don't understand it.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. Under the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings a fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna remember.
Now this cabinet I used to keep very organized. It still is pretty organized. Every bin still has exactly what's supposed to go in it. It's labeled to it. I'm gonna move most of it to the garage because most of it doesn't really need to be in here, and I want to put most of my kitchen appliances into this cabinet.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out, no. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings a fight in me, makes me wanna move.
Now to the most disgusting part. My floors in here are always disgusting. I vacuum in here every time I vacuum my kitchen, but the cat litter and the dirt and the nonsense from my animals being in here most of the time because their food and waters are in here has just made this disgusting, and I don't do the baseboards like ever, and it's been a couple months actually. I think last time I did it was I was nesting, so it's been a hot minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all cleaned up and get rid of all of the fur and the cat litter and the dog food stains along the walls. So this is the final outcome after all the hard work I put in, and it only took me about an hour and a half, so I was pretty pleased. And I went ahead and added my Mrs. Meyers room refresher into my routine in here, and I just did the lemon verbena scent. It smelled really good in there and I really enjoyed it. The camera doesn't really do this room justice. It looks way cleaner and way wider and way more bright than it actually shows in the camera. But I'm fully satisfied. My baseboards are clean, my floors are clean, and I really appreciate you guys sticking around to the end. If you would, give that subscribe button a click and give this video a like, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.